So, December 23rd, 2022, I was given the diagnosis of MS from my orthopedic surgeon. I went in post COVID complaining of some numbness and tingling, and I've had a lot of neck issues, a lot of trauma in my neck, and I just assumed it was my neck. And as I was sharing my symptoms with him, he looked at me and said, you're a really bright woman. You know, this isn't your neck. And I went, what are you talking about? And he's like, come on, and I seriously had no thought he was coming across this way to me. And he's like, I think you have MS. And I just kind of laughed and I said, no way, that this is not MS. And he said, just enlighten me and go get a brain MRI. And we joked a little bit. And I said, you just want to see if I really have a brain or what? And he said, I know you're smart. So just, yeah, go get that brain MRI. And I got the brain MRI. And when it came back and we saw that there was white matter brain disease, and I went, okay. So in his world, white matter brain disease meant that I had MS. In my world, I said, this isn't MS. This is toxins, it's mold, it's Lyme, it's something else that's causing the scarring on the brain. So I did what I do for all of my patients and started going down the path of trying to figure out what was causing this white matter brain disease. And 18 months later, I did not have a diagnosis of MS. I no longer have white matter brain disease. And I actually grew my gray matter in my brain, so where your memory is, by 2 standard deviations in less than 8 months. This is impossible. This is never supposed to happen. We're taught that once we have white matter scarring, it will never go away. And once your brain starts losing volume, there's no way you can get it back. And I defied that. And so the book is about my journey and what I did to restore my brain function and completely reverse MS.